Hey guys, this is Evan. Boy, do I have a special treat today. Porsche GT4. My friend Alex, member of Northeast Drivers Club, was gracious enough to let me drive his car. I let him drive my M3. And all I could say is I am so excited to drive this car right now. Like, I'm over the moon. But, you know, for obvious reasons. It's gorgeous, it's fast, it's Porsche. It's one of the best cars they make. He's got this gorgeous aero, gorgeous wheels, just everything about this car. The way that the air flows through it mid-engine, it is just phenomenal. So anyway, it's a little wet, these roads, I'm new to the car, so I'm gonna take it hard, but I'm not gonna go super crazy because I don't know how hard I can drive this car given the conditions. It's already on because we just got done doing a lap. But wow, what a fantastic opportunity to drive this car. Put it in drive, and let's get going. So the first thing I notice immediately is the driving position compared to my M, how deep these seats are, which is really cool, and just how premium it feels. Everything about this car feels good. Brakes feel great. Steering feels very tight. Turn radius is great. And away we go. Okay, just double checking that I'm in automatic. Certainly don't want to be too ambitious with the PDK. So here we go. Wow. Wow. Nice power. Definitely nice power. And oh yeah, I could see that why people like these cars so much. Oh yeah, revs high. Definitely handles turns. Wow, the way it handles turns is incredible. I was a little late on that turn. I am super excited. All right, so let me give you some descriptions. On the throttle, it moves. It's not the fastest car I've ever driven, but I love how it really stretches the gears and how it stays in a low gear for as long as possible. Also love how reactive the steering is. It's definitely got a better steering feel than my M, and it definitely can handle a bit tighter. I can feel that. Definitely can feel that as I go through this turn right here. Wow. Oh yeah. And I could see why people love these cars, because I can tell I'm not really going as hard as I should because it's not my car. But if I got used to driving this car, I could see the capabilities of it. My goodness gracious. You have a very capable machine here. As we stretch it out a little bit. Get hard on the brake. And then go through the turn. Got a little bit of an S going here. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, this is... I know I said wow a bunch of times, folks, but seriously, get your hands on one of these. Go on Turo or do something, because it's worth it. It's a fantastic piece of machinery. That's all I could say. Let you enjoy the car for a minute. Brakes are fantastic. Definitely great brakes. We just dropped quite a few miles per hour, and it did it without a problem. Show's over, but at least we got a fair amount of good driving in before I caught up to just a normal everyday person driving these roads at the speed limit. But so let me close with this. Final thoughts on this car. Just overall, Porsche delivers. They deliver in spades on how amazing the performance can be from this car and what you're getting. I can see that, you know, it's definitely got a GT feel to it a little bit. It's not, you know, raw track car. There's definitely some sound insulation in here. I don't know if it's piping in sound. I'm bad at telling that, but I will tell you this: it's pretty raw, and definitely gets your adrenaline going. So, love the specs, love the ability that Porsche gives you in terms of, and it's got a G-force meter, which is really cool right here. Just love overall what Porsche offers with this car. It's got a short wheelbase, feels small, handles well, can't go wrong with it. So with that said, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in, and hopefully I'll do more of these where I get to drive friends' cars. Alex, thank you again for letting me drive it. I really appreciate it. Take care, guys.